Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. The doctor explained how to identify health problems by nails. Healthy nails usually have a natural pink color. Changes in their color and shape may indicate health problems. In this case, we are talking not only about the lack of vitamins, but also about more serious diseases. Nutritionist Fiona Tuck explained what changes in the nails should alert. One of the most common fingernail changes is white spots. They speak of a lack of zinc and calcium in the body. Dairy products and leafy green vegetables can help fill the calcium deficiency. Zinc is found in pumpkin seeds, oysters, poultry, and red meat. Pale or blue nails indicate poor circulation throughout the body. Sports will solve this problem. It is necessary to increase the amount of physical activity. Also, a similar staining of the nails may indicate a lack of iron in the body. It is possible to find out by doing a blood test. If he confirms a micronutrient deficiency, then it is worth adding foods rich in it to your diet. Ridges and vertical lines on the nails indicate that the body is not getting enough protein, iron, zinc and other things. Perhaps these elements are lacking from an unbalanced diet. If everything is fine with the diet, then you should pay attention to intestinal health. As you know, it is this organ that is responsible for obtaining from food all the nutrients necessary for a person. Downward curved nails are more common in older people and may indicate severe lung problems. Difficulty breathing is possible. Also, cardiovascular diseases are not excluded. Less common nail changes are so-called pits, which look like tiny dots, like from a prick. They may be talking about an autoimmune disease. Also, such nails are found in people suffering from psoriasis or alopecia, baldness, according to the Daily Mail. The doctor emphasizes that some of the characteristics may be genetic. Also, changes in the color and shape of nails are often due to mechanical damage or exposure to chemicals. In any case, it is worth checking with a specialist to be confident in your health. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.